today's tutorial, our topic is gross margin. So here these are the information we have. From this information we will calculate gross margin. Okay, so here this question is taken from IGCSE Accounting first paper. So what is written here? Chaya provided the following information. Here we see for the year ended to 31st December 2023, we have here credit sales, we have here credit purchases and gross profit. Then we have some more information. So here we have two assets, current assets and two current liabilities. Okay, these are not relevant to calculate gross margin. Okay, so first of all, what is the formula to calculate gross margin? It is simple. Gross profit divided by sales revenue times 100. Okay, so let us write the formula first. Gross profit divided by sales revenue times 100. Okay, so here on the question we have credit sales, we have credit purchases and gross profit. Okay, here we have credit sales $114,400. So this is our revenue. Okay, so here we have credit sales. If we would have cash sales as well, then so credit sales and cash sales, this all together will be sales revenue. Okay, here in this question we have credit sales. Later you might have cash sales as well, so don't skip cash sales. To calculate sales revenue we need to add up credit sales and cash sales. So here we don't have cash sales, we don't have to think now. So let us write here the amounts. We have here gross profit already on the question. So it is $51,480. So let us write here 51,480. And we have here sales revenue. It is $114,400. So let us write here 114,400. Okay, now we will multiply by 100. Simple calculation. Okay, now we will multiply 51,480 by 100, then divide the answer by $114,400. Okay, so what we get here? 45. Okay, so here the gross margin is 45%. So simple calculation, but still many of you make mistake. I hope today's lesson you understood how to calculate gross margin. Next tutorial will be very important. There I'll show you how to calculate trade receivables turnover ratio.